Hi, I'm Marnie and I've been a sports therapist and Pilates teacher for over 20 years. And in that time, I've worked in the UK and across Australia with a huge and diverse group of clients. Everyone from elite athletes to those struggling on a day-to-day basis with chronic pain and restricted mobility. Whoever I'm dealing with, there's always one issue that keeps cropping up again and again: back pain. And it doesn't matter if you're an elite sports person or someone who's just thrown the back out, getting out of the car awkwardly, the effect is the same. Horrible, excruciating, ongoing pain and discomfort. And left to its own devices or lying down and waiting for it to go away will only make the situation worse. Maybe it will fade away a bit, but the fact is, without proactively addressing the issue, it will remain with you. My family has had first-hand experience of this in the worst possible way. My husband inherited degenerative spinal disease, which, along with the fact he was a keen rower at school, contributed to a series of disc prolapses and nerve damage. 10 years later, and after 8 spinal surgeries, he's pretty much out of the woods. But without ongoing back rehab, he would still be in pain and restricted in movement. Well, there's nothing like almost losing a loved one to slap you back to reality. And that's when I had my light bulb moment. And why I'm now so passionate about telling people to stop ignoring your pain, stop feeling helpless and start to take some action, because there is a way through. With specific exercises and lifestyle changes, we're able to significantly reduce and in some cases stop pain. I've been using these techniques on my clients for years. Even when the pain was present, and in a relatively short time, my clients would feel a positive result. Recently, COVID has impacted on so many of my friends and family worldwide who haven't been able to enjoy their normal routines, haven't been able to exercise, and have been suffering in isolation in consequence. That's when I decided I need to be able to help and reach out to more people on a global scale. I took all my pain classes and created a 6-level multi-module video course that guides you through the process I've been taking my clients through in their face-to-face sessions. In the Back to Basics movement, we cover topics such as building strength, mobility, flexibility, gentle cardio fitness, and release therapy, and mindfulness practices as well for relaxation. To complement the videos, we created a step-by-step ebook series, which breaks down each exercise so you can be sure you're following the process correctly. I continue to ask my trusty clients for their feedback to know what has helped them achieve their health goals. And because of what I know from them, it's not only about doing the right exercises, but it's also about having the right support, a knowledgeable coach, and a community that shares and motivates them to keep going. My solution to incorporate these aspects into our online program was to create the Inner Circle community group, where we share our stories, experiences, photographs, videos, your progress, and any problems, just as we would do in person. We meet regularly for live Q&A sessions where I can help you with any issues or concerns you might be having regarding the course and your training. This course has already gone out around the globe, and I'm thrilled that we're getting the same results. People who are in pain have been finding that following our process, they are quickly getting relief and rediscovering their zest for life. If you're someone who's determined not to be beaten, but might be struggling to get on top of your pain issues, this course was specifically designed for you. And we're here to help you every step of the way. So make sure you kick 2020 to the curb and dive into 2021 with a new lease on life. I look forward to seeing you online.